Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start now by verifying Sso6 version and exact build. This determines compatible patches and hotfixes. Make a full config and key store backup so you can roll back. Once done, export credentials to a secure store. Check system time and NTP, plus DNS resolution and certificate fingerprints so authentication exchanges won't fail. These are the minimal prerequisites that prevent wasted effort. Do them first, so subsequent steps apply cleanly to your exact environment. Next, apply the exact hotfix or patch for your Sso6 build while services run in maintenance mode. This changes binaries safely. Then validate each configuration file, endpoint mappings, token lifetimes, and identity provider metadata, because mismatches cause silent failures. If tokens or validations fail, rotate the signing and encryption keys and rebind certificates. Reissuing certs fixes chain problems. Make changes incrementally and test authentication flows after each step, so you isolate the failure point quickly. To finish, restart Sso6 components in the recommended order and validate interactive logins and SAML/OIK flows from a test client. Once successful, remove maintenance mode. Monitor logs closely for auth, token, or certificate errors and verify metrics remain stable. If something still breaks, enable verbose debug, reproduce the error, and compare to your pre-change backup. If needed, roll back config and keys, then apply fixes in smaller steps. One key tip: enable debug temporarily to capture the exact failure path.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.